What is up, guys? It's DJ Simmons, and I want to show you guys how to use Beats on PS4. Now see, what you do is you take the original chord and you do not use that chord. I explained in my other tutorial. This is a more updated version, and I'm going to explain to you why this one's better. So the original chord I do not have right now, but I do have the Skull Candy headphone chord, which you should use so you can hear people on PS4. These are regular Skull Candy headphones, and these are Beats Solo 2s right here that I will be showing you. Now see, I can if you want to prove that Apple the thing it comes with does not work, check out my first video, how to use Beats on PS4. And thank you to all that's watched it. It has gone crazy with views. It's really ridiculous. This is why I'm here today doing an updated version, because so many people have asked me, does this work, does this work, and I'll be answering your questions, dude. I'll be answering your questions on the main video. I decided I'm going to tell you guys what chord I've been using after I changed it out, because the other one broke for me, so I got a different one, and it is a Skull Candy headphone jack. Alright, so let me just plug those in. Right here, see this? Skull Candy. Don't know if you can see the skull, probably not, but Skull Candy headphone, plugged it in. Set that right there. Let me go into sound. And you see how it popped up? Let me just turn on audio. And look, it works. I do not lie. Skull Candy headphone jack works for B headphones. These are Solo 2s. Don't ask, I'm sorry, I don't know if Solo 3s work on here. I do not have Solo 3s or Studios. I do not know. If I could try to do some research, but just try it out yourself. And thank you guys for viewing. I'll see you guys later. Peace.